Hey, if you're just starting out or looking for a career change and want a work from home job for beginners, I have two opportunities for you. One starts April 7th, 2026, and the other looks like it's primarily non-phone. So let's get into these beginner-friendly work from home jobs. The first one I want to talk about is with the company Clever. So Clever provides a digital learning platform used by about 75% of U.S. K-12 schools, and they've been around since 2012. They have an opening for a technical onboarding specialist. This is a contract position, and it is remote anywhere in the continental United States, or if you want, you can work out of the San Francisco, California office, but we're all about working remotely. So yeah, this is a contract position, so that means you more than likely will not get benefits, and they're not going to do your tax withholding. But look here, they tell us this job starts April 7th, 2026, and goes through October 16th, 2026. So your main goal in this job is to make sure schools are up and running on the Clever platform. You'll bridge the gap between purchase and product value, ensuring school administrators successfully configure and launch complex tools like IDM and CMFA. You'll work closely with school administrators and collaborate internally with the support, product, and engineering teams to escalate and resolve technical hurdles, while managing end-to-end onboarding journey for paid offerings, from leading initial setup calls to tracking and prioritizing complex onboarding cases. And you do all that while consistently meeting service level expectations in a fast-paced, queue-based environment, holding customers accountable to onboarding milestones, and delivering a high-quality customer experience through empathetic expert guidance. So for this job, they do want you to have about 1 year experience in technical and customer-facing roles. And like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer-facing, customer service, customer support. You can simplify complex technical topics for non-technical audiences, and you can also prioritize and organize your work. You're able to manage multiple calls, tickets, and internal communications in a fast-paced environment, and you can build trust and rapport with customers through empathetic and proactive communication. And they have some preferred qualifications. They're just preferred, nice to have, but read through them. If you meet any of them, make sure to include them on your resume. And down here at the bottom of the job description, they tell us for candidates living in New York City and San Francisco, California, they'll pay you $32 per hour. All other areas besides New York and California, they'll pay you $29 per hour. Our next beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with Acorns. They're a well-established financial technology company that specializes in micro-investing and automated wealth management, and they've been around since, I believe, 2012. They're looking for a junior invest operations associate. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And in this job, you'll be responsible for executing the essential back-office processes that protect customers' assets and ensure their financial journeys remain seamless. And then they tell us Acorns is a remote-first organization offering the flexibility to work remotely while providing optional access to office space in Irvine, California. So I really like seeing that. This job is also hiring in California. So yep, this job is customer service based. You're going to make sure customers' investments are protected, and you're also going to be doing back-office work like investment transfers. And this job looks like it's primarily non-phone. You'll resolve a high volume of daily customer emails and operational cases through internal case systems, including account updates, asset transfers, and account reviews. You'll process ACH disputes and manage incoming mail and fax inquiries regarding asset transfer requests, asset verifications, and legal levies. You'll also process 3210 letter requests and partner with the company's advisor team to facilitate customer outgoing asset transfers and incoming rollovers. You'll assist customers with updating funding sources and resolve complex account inquiries, ensuring every interaction reflects Acorn's mission. You support the risk team by investigating account unlock requests and work to make the experience as smooth as possible for customers caught in false positive flags, while working closely with the team lead and cross-functional teams to identify bottlenecks and establish priorities for new tools and infrastructure. And for this job, they want you to have 0 to about 2 years experience in investment banking or financial operations. So they're really not requiring related experience in this position, but if you do have an interest in investment banking or financial operations, this job has your name on it. Then you need all your typical soft skills, and they want you to be available to work flexible hours. Shifts may include evenings, weekends, or holidays to support customers when they need you most. And as far as the salary, I'm just scrolling around to see if they tell us how much. Oh, way down here at the bottom of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $55,500 up to $60,500 per year. So there you go. We just went over some beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more work-from-home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. And if you want to learn new skills to grab better opportunities, or you just want to brush up on the skills you already have, in the description area below this video, I have a link to a list of some really good free resources where you can do just that, including Google and Microsoft products. You can learn medical terminology, you can learn how to use Salesforce, and more. I encourage you to check it out. So thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.